Did you used to eat beefaroni in the can like your mom? Did she make you beefaroni in a can like from Chef Boyardee? Well, you don't have to do that anymore. You can make this at home quickly by yourself. Use one shallot, one garlic, or two, or however many garlic you like, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then use a pound of ground meat. I'm using vegan pork style meat here, but you can use any ground meat that you want. Go ahead and saute that all together. You don't want that on high because it is olive oil, so you don't want the smoke point very high. You want to keep this kind of medium low, sauteing it so that your ground meat gets done, but you're also getting all that aroma into the meat. Now go ahead and add in about 12 ounces of cream. I use coconut cream because I'm making a vegan one here, but you can eat any kind of cream you want. A little mushroom seasoning to give it that umami flavor. Right, and keep sauteing, and then go ahead and add in 1 jar of marinara sauce because that beefaroni was like a little bit creamy, a little bit tomatoey, so it wasn't all tomatoes, right? Then, to elevate it a little bit, let's add a tablespoon of fresh basil. But if you don't have fresh basil, go ahead and do a half a teaspoon of dried basil is fine. Now take your elbow macaroni, about a pound, mix that in to your sauce, and make sure that ground meat is cooked up very nicely. Add that until those flavors are all melded together and yummy, 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 yummy. Now, because I'm making a plant-based one, this one has lots of veggies, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 veggies, and then we can also add in, if you want a little saltiness, a little creaminess, go ahead and add in a little feta cheese. Now this is plant-based feta cheese, but if you want to use another kind, that is completely up to you. I used about a half a container, which was about maybe about 6 ounces. Mix that all together, and that is a yummy, comforting dish, and it only takes about 30 minutes to have this on the table. So your family will love you, your kids will think you're amazing, and your belly will be so happy, and it'll have that nostalgia if you ever got beefaroni at home from your mom. Now, I use all plant-based ingredients here, but we don't have to fight over it. If that's not something you want to use, go ahead and use what you would use. Just swap it out. Just like I would if I were looking at a dish with dairy, I would swap it out. So you can swap it back the other way. But just know, cooking at home is healthier and it saves you money. So you're doing a good thing for yourself. And this does have about 5 plants inside of it, whether you cook with plant-based items or not. If you cook with plant-based items, you get a little bit more plants. But I just want you to practice cooking at home, mindful eating, enjoying yourself, and getting that nostalgia so you feel good about your beefaroni.